Bosch X-Spect is the world's first multi-purpose connected household scanner, designed to assist users in household laundry tasks. Thanks to a near-infrared and color sensor, the device provides information about fabrics and stains. X-Spect also transmits program recommendations directly to smart washing machines, helping users take perfect care of their laundry. The touchscreen concentrated near the thumb area ensures a seamless interaction. This is a unique design defined by its ergonomics and sleek finish, a perfect balance of design and engineering. Bosch's the EasyCut and Grind. The strong Li-ion-powered motor and the set of accessories ensure multifunctional versatility. The EasyCut Grind is ideal for convenient, one-handed operation in tight spaces. Its compact size as well as the two-step activation ensure safe use, no matter the user's experience level. The tool is ideal for cutting and sanding on wood, metal, plastic, and other materials up to 14 millimeters. The freehand cutting adapter enhances cutting performance, while simultaneously enabling quick, guided cuts. Bosch Paint Spray System PFS 7000. Perfect results with minimal effort for large to very large projects. Enjoy painting with perfect results. No project is too big for the PFS 7000. It can be used to paint in and on the house. Paint rollers and brushes are a thing of the past. This device, with its enormous power of 1,400 watts, sprays finely atomized paint in even layers onto all structures. All difficult surfaces and work overhead or close to the ground are within reach, with beautiful results at a remarkable speed of 4 meters square per minute. Bosch Projector Pi. Smart home concepts also enable the integration of digital media into everyday life. Thus, they can enrich existing living environments by creating new interaction and experience scenarios. Pi has been conceived for applications that are oriented towards the needs and preferences of users, offering a high degree of functionality and user comfort. This smart kitchen projector can be mounted underneath the kitchen wall cabinet or directly onto the wall, projecting a fully fledged GUI on the kitchen worktop. A bright and high-contrast projection in combination with an integrated 3D sensor then transforms the kitchen worktop into a smart display. Bosch Gluey. This incredibly versatile glue pen offers cordless gluing to achieve excellent results on many creative arts and craft projects. Gluey opens the door to endless possibilities to bring creativity to life. Its compact and convenient design makes gluing fun. Moreover, an ergonomic shape also provides an added level of comfort and an enjoyable grip while working. When gluing, attaching, or repairing items quickly, the glue pen offers cordless freedom with environmentally friendly rechargeable AA batteries. Bosch YOUseries Sander. The new YOUseries sander, the epitome of innovative design in your hands. With sleek ergonomic contours and a power-packed performance, experience the perfect blend of style and efficiency. This compact tool has a delta sanding plate for easy work in corners, on edges, and hard-to-reach areas, and a hook-and-loop backed fastening system for quick and easy sanding paper changes. It is ideal for small to medium-sized jobs on hardwood, softwood, painted or varnished surfaces, filler, plaster, and metal. This sander features an interchangeable YOUseries battery that can be conveniently charged via USB-C. Bosch Accent Line Carbon Black with GlassDraft ventilation. Designed to precisely match with the Accent Line cooktop. When installed side by side, the transition between the two appliances is seamless. The GlassDraft extracts steam directly from the cooktop to achieve the best performance at the lowest noise level. By using Projector sensor technology, it continuously measures the air and automatically adjusts the power level. To ensure quieter and more effective extraction from all cooking zones, an air current is generated behind the glass panel. The decorative LED illumination enhances the atmosphere in the kitchen. With the Home Connect app, you can choose from the entire red, green, and blue color spectrum. When switched off, the module lowers into the worktop, making it almost invisible. Bosch Zamo Extendable Laser Measure. The new Zamo is the first laser measure with adapters for unlimited measurement versatility. Equipped with state-of-the-art laser technology, the Zamo laser measure delivers results with maximum precision and reliability. The new interface integrates tape, wheel, and line adapters for a variety of uses. Now you can measure even more distances, freestanding objects, arched surfaces, fabrics, and areas. It is also ideal for aligning objects on a wall, both horizontally and vertically. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.